Hey there, Justin from Blaze. Today I'm going to show you how to optimize your brand kit. Blaze does a great job building your brand kit when you onboard. It then uses this brand kit to build out the content for your business. Today I'm going to show you around the brand kit tool and how to hone your brand kit even further. This will give Blaze a better understanding of your business and thus better quality content. But before we get started, give us a like. It helps other Blaze users find these videos faster. To get started, select Brand Kit from the sidebar. At the top of the tool, you'll notice 4 different categories: Media, Styles, Profile, and Materials. In the Media section of your brand kit, you can use this section to import files like images and videos from your Google Drive or manually upload them from your computer. You can select images from our stock image library and video libraries, or even create images using AI. Media that gets added into your brand kit gets incorporated into the content that Blaze generates for you. So you want to upload any and all product photos, lifestyle content, location photos, customer photos, and more. Basically, anything you want to see included in your content goes here. You can see down below I have a batch of photos that I've uploaded previously. Blaze will use them and then flag the ones that it chooses to use and show you that here. Jumping over to the Styles section next, this section drives how Blaze designs content that looks and sounds like your brand. Take a moment to review everything and make sure it's correct. I like to start with the simple things like your logo, colors, and fonts. All of this can be changed. So if Blaze grabbed the wrong logo from your website, or you just updated your branding so your logo is now different, you can just upload the new logo by clicking the pencil when hovering over the original logo and then select and upload your new one. For colors, clicking on a color will let you manually change it to something else. You can delete them or add more if you need. And if you have a branding guide, I recommend taking the time to check your colors against your brand guides to make sure they match your hex values. Those are those 6-digit color codes in the top left corner when you open up a color in Blaze. Same with fonts too. Here you can review your existing fonts, upload your own, or if you don't have your own fonts, you can select something from our font library to use. This goes both for the title and body sections. Next, move on to the brand voice. Go through each one of these sections and review and adjust them as needed. Click Edit and then review and adjust each section. Remember, you can delete elements in the tone, emotions, character, syntax, and language sections, and you can also add anything that you feel is missing. Once you've done this, click Done to save your changes. Now let's move on to the brand profile section. This is what Blaze uses as the context for your business. Things like who you are, your market, your competitors, your competitive advantages, your customers' demographics and psychographics, your popular products and services, how Blaze understands what your value drivers are, the emotional benefits your customers experience when using your product or service, and also your brand story. Taking the time to make sure this truly represents your brand will go a long way in Blaze generating content that you love. To make changes here, just click Edit next to each of the sections. Make your changes, then click Done. Lastly is the source materials section. This may already have things like your social media accounts and website listed, but you can and should add anything you want Blaze to know about your business. Click Add Source Materials to open up the dialog window. Notice you can add website links, an account like your social media account, you can import files from your Google Drive, or even paste text directly into Blaze. Source materials matter because Blaze studies them and uses them when authoring your content. Have a cool origin story on your website? Link to that specific page here. Have a product differentiation document that you give to all your new hires? Upload that too. Handouts, product marketing materials, branding guides, etc. Basically, upload anything you want your employees and customers to know about your business. Those should be uploaded as source materials. You don't want to upload sensitive documentation or data here though. Blaze won't know it's a secret and might share it with everyone. So you've gone through and made your changes to your brand kit. Now click Save Changes at the bottom of the screen. Now, when Blaze authors content outlined in your campaigns, it will reflect all of the updates that you made in your brand kit. And because Blaze leans on your brand kit heavily when designing and authoring your content, you will likely notice a huge improvement in the quality of the content it produces for you. Okay, so now you're a brand kit guru and can fully optimize your brand kit anytime you need to. If this video taught you anything new, give us a like. Also, make sure you're subscribed to our YouTube channel so you can stay up to date on all the ways that Blaze can help you grow your business.